Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And I am so excited to be here with you guys. I hope everyone is happy and healthy and staying safe from Corona. Okay, I am wearing this mask because I wanted to show you what the eye makeup that I was going to wear out today is going to be like. And I wanted to show you like the full effect of what it's going to be like out in public because this is our life right now. Answers to questions. Yes, my hair is purple. No, it is not permanent. It is a hair mask called Blondage from Redken. I left it in overnight. It kind of ombreed itself because I wanted to do something really fun, okay? My makeup is already on. My brows are done. This is kind of the eye look that I have chosen for today. It's really, really purple with some blue. I used the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, which is phenomenal. Be careful with some of those colors, girl. They are vibrant. They blend well, and I absolutely love it. And I just felt like, you know, with my purple vibes that I wanted to do that. What I wanted to show you though is I really love the makeup look that I have on, but I want something a little jizzier, fancier. So I have this Tarte glitter, and it has like little tiny stars in it. So I have a really fine brush. I'm gonna pull my mirror up so I can actually see my eye. And so I love this eye makeup. It's really pretty, but like I said, I just wanted to be a little bit more fancy. So I'm gonna take some of that glitter. This is how y'all can be fancy too, especially since we have to wear all these masks and all of that. So I'm gonna get the glitter on my brush, and I kind of want to just do like some fun stars, like kind of out here. So I got some, and I'm gonna place the stars out here. And there's 3 stars that were stacked. Ooh, I think there are 4. Cool. And it just so happens that they ended up going in a perfectly straight line all the way back. So I think that's gonna be the top part. So I'm gonna take some more stars. And I think I'm gonna put one down here. And these stars have glitter with them, so I just kind of spread the glitter out. So that's how easy that is. I'm gonna do the other side. And girl, like if it doesn't match, like don't worry about it. Or if you're like me and you have like a triple amount of OCD, I'm gonna get some of this glitter and spread it around the stars, and I'm gonna get 2 more stars and put them on. Girl, if you are not comfortable though wearing this, then don't. And if you see someone else wearing it and you don't like it, mine don't match exactly. Oop, this one's like going straight out. Let me move this one up. You know what? I just may do a whole grouping. Of stars so that it doesn't look weird. Yeah, so anyways, let everyone be who they are, especially during, you know, the times right now. Just, you know, who cares if someone is wearing sparkle glitter? You know what I'm saying? Who cares? You don't have to be judgmental. You just let that girl live her life, that whoever's wearing it. And you live yours. And we can all appreciate each other's differences. I'm sure my husband probably doesn't like my purple hair right now, but it'll go away. It'll wash out in a couple washes. And it's fun and it's different. And apparently it's making me happy right now. And I think he's on board with anything that makes me happy. So we should try and treat everyone like that. Okay, girls, isn't that cute? So like I said, if it's your style, do it. If not, then don't. Try not to judge anyone else who is. And Tarte has the best little glitters like this, and I have so many different ones. So if you want to do something fun, this can be like a little fun zhuzhi, especially since we can't wear fun, beautiful lipstick right now with our masks on. So this is just something that will help you zhuzh your look up and be fun, kind of express yourself. So I hope that was helpful, ladies. You're never too old to wear glitter. Stop telling yourself that. Stop letting anyone else tell you that. And you guys stay safe, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.